Myself, Neha Chopra. I am going to present my poster on nature and hierarchy of hydrogen bonding interactions in binary complexes of azores with water and hydrogen peroxide. Azores are heterocyclic nitrogenous compound. It has two types of nitrogen atoms: pyrrolic nitrogen atom that perform the role of hydrogen bond donor and pyridinic nitrogen atom that act as hydrogen bond acceptor. Azole family comprises of pyrrole, diazole, triazole, tetrazole, pentazole. Diazole exists in two isomeric forms, diazole 1,2 and diazole 1,3. Diazole 1,3 is 10.45 kilocalorie per mole more stable than the diazole 1,2. Similarly, triazole exists in two isomeric forms, triazole 1,2,3 and triazole 1,2,4. Triazole 1,2,4 is 15.45 kilocalorie per mole more stable than the triazole 1,2,3. Then we calculate the stabilization energy of these monomeric forms and we find that the stability reduces with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring. We have selected azores because azores have extensive biological importance. There are many natural products that contain pyrrole unit. For example, heme, chlorophyll. Imidazole construct the main structure of the human organism. It exists in purine and many amino acids such as histidine, histamine. Pyrazole and triazole possess a variety of biological properties including antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antifungal activities. These are the some examples of the pharmaceutical drugs that contain the pyrazole unit. These are the molecular electrostatic potential maps of isomers of the azores. These maps convey information about the electrophilic and nucleophilic region present in the molecule. Blue region is indicated by the negative electrostatic potential and red region is indicated by the positive electrostatic potential. Negative electrostatic, we use two terms, Vmax and V minimum. Vmax means highest positive electrostatic potential and V minimum is highest negative electrostatic potential. From the value of V minimum and V maximum, we find that the negative electrostatic potential reduces with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring and the positive electrostatic potential increases with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring. I have optimized 24 complexes of azores with water, and these are the different binding modes of azores with water through hydrogen bonding. We use water as water is active constituent in many biochemical processes. I have also optimized 18 complexes of azores with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used as hydrogen peroxide play indispensable role in various biological processes. Many enzymes such as catalysis, horseradish peroxide utilize hydrogen peroxide in their catalytic reactions. I have used various computational methodologies in my paper. These computational methodologies include NBO analysis, AIM analysis, symmetry adapted perturbation theory. From this study, we find that the complexes in which NH bond of the azole act as hydrogen bond donor towards oxygen atom of the water, in that case, stabilization energy, secondary delocalization energy, topological parameters reduces with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring, which support the fact hydrogen bond donability of the pyrrolic nitrogen increases with addition of nitrogen atom in the ring. The reason behind is that upon addition of nitrogen atom in the ring, pyrrolic nitrogen atom of the azole become more acidic and it becomes a better proton donor. The complexes in which nitrogen atom of the pyrrole act as hydrogen bond acceptor towards OH bond of the water, in that case stabilization energy, secondary delocalization energy, topological parameters reduces with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring, which support the fact hydrogen bond acceptability of the pyridinic nitrogen atom reduces with age association in the ring. The complexes in which both pyrrolic and pyridinic nitrogen atom act as hydrogen donor as well as acceptor, in that case stabilization energy increases with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring, and these complexes are more stable in comparison to the complexes in which single hydrogen site is involved. The complexes in which CH bond of the water act as hydrogen bond donor towards oxygen atom of the water, in that case stabilization energy increases with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring. I have concluded the various observations. The tendency of the pyridinic nitrogen atom to function as hydrogen bond acceptor reduces with successive addition of nitrogen atom. The density of the pyrrolic nitrogen atom to serve as better hydrogen bond donor increases with successive age substitution in the ring. The complexes where both hydrogen sites are involved in hydrogen bonding gain more stability in comparison to the complexes in which single hydrogen site is involved. The complexes in which OH bond of water act as hydrogen bond donor, in that case, azole H3 complexes are more stable in comparison to the azole water complexes, whereas reverse happen in case of the complexes in which oxygen of the water is acting as hydrogen bond acceptor. This is due to the fact hydrogen peroxide is a better proton donor and what is a better proton acceptor. SAFT analysis reflects that electrostatic energy is dominant attractive contribution in comparison to induction and disappearance terms in all the hydrogen bond complexes under study. These in all these complexes, energy components increases with introduction of nitrogen atom in the ring. While this study also reflected induction term is larger than disappearance term, it has shifted hydrogen bonding complexes, while reverse happen in case of the blue shifted hydrogen bonding complexes. Thank you.